guys like it?
Like,
Pricing and stuff?
yes.
Woo.
That's yours, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. Welcome back, my beautiful people, to my channel. I know it's been a while. I know. Today we are in Daytona Beach for a car event that's going on. The Stance cars come and meet up and just mob, go to spots and just chill. I got some rollers I'm gonna be adding and also some clips of some of the meetups. It was kind of dark, so it's kind of hard to see the cars, but hopefully you guys can see it and enjoy it. Also, we're on our way right now to Publix. It's a grocery store where we're gonna be parking Dante's car in the parking lot and getting people's reaction, and basically I'm gonna be, the bait. I'm gonna be outside the car and I'm gonna show you guys behind the scenes of it, because Dante is gonna have a separate video of that in his channel, so be on the lookout for that because it's gonna be a banger. I'm gonna be showing you guys a little behind the scenes of the Publix video as well before he even drops it. So we're gonna have some rollers, some car meetups that we went to, and the Publix video. So hope you guys enjoyed this.
Run that back, sonna.
Don't be suspicious.
Don't be suspicious.
Don't be suspicious.
Don't be suspicious.
Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious. You guys like it?
Your car?
Yeah, my car.
The fuck you lying? Why you always lying?
How come the wheels are out like this?
You think I should put less tilt? Or is it fine like that?
No, you have a lot of tilt. How much you got into it altogether?
What do you mean?
Like,
pricing and
yes.
stuff? Woo!
Looks expensive.
Yeah.
That's yours, isn't it?
Yeah, it is.
Get out of here.
No, it's mine. They last a good time.
They're
But
pretty.
yeah, thank you. I like it. I like it
And
low.
your hair's gorgeous.
Thank you. Yours is too. You're really beautiful.
I wish mine was more uniform. Like,
Yeah.
like the curly.
Yeah.
Uniform.
I mean, mine used to be loose too, but I guess with like leave-in conditioner or like anything, you just scrunch it and
And then
they
this
get volume.
humidity, don't you find that it
Oh,
makes it frizzy?
yeah, yeah.
I use the microfiber towels. And,
Oh, wow.
And,
Yeah. I usually
conditioners
just
and-
air dry it.
Yeah, I do
Yeah.
too.
Yeah.
So,
Sometimes.
that was
You too. Take care. Thank you. No,
Are you from Daytona?
no, Orlando.
I knew you. You even look pretty. You don't see any
Ah.
pretty women here. There's
I'm
some-
originally from Jersey.
Give me my space.
This
New
is-
Jersey.
Oh, I'm from Canada.
Oh,
This is a weird place, they told me.
really?
Oh.
Well, I just come here once a year.
Oh, thank God.
Once a year.
You like Orlando?
Yeah. It's a lot of like cultures. A lot of
I
mixed
noticed. I bought a
cultures.
car. I was there 3-4 days. This place here, I get a little business on the go, but I think on weekends when I'm off, I'm
Yeah.
gonna go to Miami a weekend.
Oh, wow.
I'm gonna try
Yeah.
Melbourne.
Me
How's
too.
Melbourne?
Melbourne. After the hurricane you're talking about?
No,
Or-
I'm talking about. It's weird here. I was in Jacksonville. Shit. I was in St. Augustine. It's good for families. I was here. There's all weirdos here. They're all-
It's okay.
Melbourne's
It's-
okay?
It's okay.
Where do you
I
think-
think it's kind of the same like here.
No.
Yeah.
No, I think it's.
No.
Where would you recommend?
Where to go? Where to travel?
Well, what's a nice city? Like where? I'm gonna hit Miami. That's far.
Miami. Yeah, I think you should hit that.
Yeah.
There's there. Also Orlando. There's more families
Yeah,
out there.
I was there. It was busy. It was. I don't know if it's. I was there. I bought a car in September, right?
Yeah.
I think Miami.
Yeah.
But you don't know any other places? No, you can think of.
No. And that's gonna conclude our video for today. I hope you all enjoyed it. I had fun making it. I had fun getting to talk to new people and different people, and you guys didn't watch the full part of the video, so stay tuned for that on Dante's channel because it gets more detailed and they ask more personal questions about the car. They're like amazed at the camber, and it's more of the full part on his channel. Also guys, let me know if you guys want to see my car out in public and getting reactions like that. With that being said, go give this video a like, comment down below, subscribe, and see you guys in the next one.
But you don't know any other places?